In Japan, healing doesn't always come from hospitals. Sometimes it comes from trees. No pills, no machines, just a quiet walk through the forest. This practice has a name. It's called Shinrin-yoku. And it's not spiritual poetry, it's science. Shinrin-yoku means forest bathing, but it doesn't mean exercise. And it doesn't mean hiking. It means slowly absorbing the forest with your senses. You walk slowly. You breathe deeply. You notice light, sound, smell. No destination, no step count, no productivity. In the 1980s, Japan officially introduced Shinrin-yoku as a public health practice. Not because people liked forests, but because people were getting sick. Japan faced rising levels of chronic stress, high blood pressure, anxiety disorders, burnout from long work hours. Doctors noticed something strange. Patients who spent time in forests recovered faster, slept better, reported less anxiety. So researchers asked a radical question. What if nature itself is medicine? Let's talk about what actually happens inside your body in a forest. Cortisol is the stress hormone. Too much of it damages sleep, memory, and immunity. Japanese studies found that after 20-30 minutes in a forest, cortisol levels drop significantly. Your body leaves survival mode. In cities, your nervous system is always alert. Traffic, screens, noise, deadlines. Forests activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for rest and repair. Heart rate slows, blood pressure decreases, breathing deepens naturally. Trees release natural oils called phytoncides. You can't see them, but you breathe them in. Studies show phytoncides increase natural killer NK cells, strengthen immune response, improve resistance to illness. Even days after leaving the forest, these effects remain. The forest stays with you. EEG scans show less beta waves, stress and anxiety, more alpha waves, calm focus. Your mind becomes alert, but peaceful, not sleepy, not distracted, balanced. Japan didn't stop at research. They went further. Certain forests are officially certified as forest therapy bases. These forests are selected based on air quality, tree density, phytoncide concentration, sound levels, light patterns. In other words, some forests heal better than others. Nature, measured with care. Your brain evolved in nature, not in traffic, not under notifications, not inside screens. Forests restore something ancient. No instructions, no expectations, just presence. Shinrin-yoku doesn't fix your life. It reminds your nervous system that it is safe. In modern life, we treat burnout as weakness. Japan treats it as imbalance. Instead of asking, "What's wrong with you?" Shinrin-yoku asks, "What environment are you living in?" And that question changes everything. Maybe your mind doesn't need motivation. Maybe it doesn't need discipline. Maybe it needs trees.